Sequencing. Objective 4. Since you know what is sequencing, let us learn how to sequence parts of the given story using a graphic organizer. The story of a butterfly. Once upon a time, there was a tiny egg. A few days later, the egg cracked and out came a hungry caterpillar who ate a lot of leaves and grew into a very large caterpillar. When it could eat no more, it decided to rest and build a home around itself called the pupa. Finally, after a few days, a beautiful butterfly came out from the pupa and flew away happily. Are these events in the correct order? Let's have a look. Did the caterpillar come first? Did the butterfly come after the caterpillar? I don't think so. The caterpillar made a house which was called the pupa, and from the pupa the butterfly came. So what came first? It was the eggs. Okay, now let's rearrange these sentences. First, there was a tiny egg. Next, a caterpillar came out. Then, it built a house called the pupae. And last, the butterfly came out of the pupa. That's correct. Well done. Now, let's arrange the events using the graphic organizer. The title. First, there was a tiny egg. Very good. Next, the caterpillar. Yes. And then the pupa. And lastly, the butterfly. Very good, children. Now let's recap the steps. Step number 1. Read the story as many times as you want. Number 2. Notice the sequence to remember the story. Number 3. Rearrange jumbled events in the correct sequence using the graphic organizer. Thank you.